Here's how to annotate a PDF using Wave browser's built-in PDF annotator. Whether you need to add text, underline, strike through, highlight, or more, we've got you covered. First, open your PDF file in Wave browser. You can do this by simply dragging and dropping the file into the browser or by using the Open File option. Once your PDF is open, you'll see the annotation toolbar at the top. Let's start with adding text. Click on the text tool in the toolbar. Then, click anywhere on the PDF where you want to add your text. A text box will appear, and you can start typing. Next, let's underline some text. Select the Underline tool from the toolbar. Then, click and drag over the text you want to underline. Now, let's strike through. To strike through text, click and drag over the text you want to strike through. Now, let's highlight. Select the Highlight tool from the toolbar. Click and drag over the text you want to highlight. You can also change the highlight color if you want, and there you have it. You've successfully annotated your PDF with text, underlines, strike-throughs, and highlights. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.